18 candles lighting up the sky. Nick is ready, watch her fly. Dreams are big and the world's so wide. The future's calling, time to ride. Happy birthday, let it be your start. 18 beats of a racing heart. The world is waiting, so take your claim. Nick is rising, remember her name. Years behind, but so much ahead. Every moment, a story to be said. The clock keeps ticking, the stage is set. 18 years, no regrets. Take a leap, don't look back. Follow the light, stay on track. 18's here, it's your time. Nick, shine like the stars that climb. Happy birthday, let it be your start. 18 beats of a racing heart. The world is waiting, so take your claim. Nick is rising, remember her name. Happy birthday, let it be your start. 18 beats of a racing.
Happy birthday.
Alam mo, ikaw yung isa sa mga ina-admire ko na tao. Kasi
Naging friends po kami ni Mika way back, grade 10 kami.
sobrang humble niya. Yun yung masasabi ko sa kanya. Nasa kanya na lahat. Hindi talaga sa'yo. Yung determination mo, wala pa sumulat sa pool.
So always kang makinig kay mama at papa mo.
Happy birthday. Sabi sa'yo, pero wish ko lang, sana tumangkad ka. Yung relationship mo with God, and continue being joyful. And I am hoping na lahat ng yon is malagpasan mo. Super, na-admire ko siya sa lahat. Tinulit siyang kapatid sa babae.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi hindi kasama ni Papa mo.
I hope as you welcome your legality, you face all your challenges and your problems bravely.
Laging si God ang naka-center sa lahat ng gagawin mo.
Represent conservation of life, health.
Hey, Mika! I love you! Wish you all the best, Ate Mika. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Mika! Happy birthday!
Alam ko, super talino mo, grabe. Sobrang genuine na person yan ni Mika, yan.
God bless.
Basta lagi mong tatandaan, always believe in yourself.
God bless Mika and be a blessing.
Kid. Maraming salamat sa mga bawat pamilya na lang, ayan, na pumunta. So first of all, thank you sa pagpunta kasi kahit alanganin talaga yung date, Monday. Tapos, ang ulan-ulan pa kanina, kumukulog-kulog, tas kidlat pa. So, thank you sa pagpunta. Thank you kasi talagang inalala niyo ako today. And on behalf of my father, my mother, and my siblings, thank you so much sa pagpunta. Thank you, yun lang. Have a nice day.